Hello, I'm Wanyu. I will present the topic of flipped classroom today for Education 131. As you know, our traditional classroom is in-person lecture and problem solving at home, but flipped classroom is different. According to assigned videos and readings, let me introduce the pros and cons of blend model. Flipped classroom is a new pedagogical method which assigns prerequisite lectures as homework and interactive with peers for learning activities during class time. And it's the concept of blending online and face-to-face learning. It's also a problem-based solved method to promote communication effectiveness. From the surveys of researchers and the experience of teachers and students, we can see an increase in collaboration and the way is effective and accessible. And students are able to replay course many times. It's also a way to push teachers to enhance the in-person educational experience. And there are studies showing students in flipped classrooms outperform than in traditional classrooms because they can go through at their own pace. Most importantly, flipped classroom guides educators to rethink what is the best way for students. However, for some of students, they prefer textbook and direct talking from teachers and professors. Also, it requires more self-discipline and well-prepared before class. Otherwise, students may be failure to participate in class time. Final conclusion. Students prefer in-person lecture to video lecture. They prefer interacting more time to less time. From the recommendations of the guest lecturer, he recommends teachers to provide more quizzes and practice before the class, and they should start simple and slow while first using technology. After watching and reading and some of field work at this class so far, I like the concept of blending learning, which is flipped classroom. It's not just like totally online course format. I agree with that the flipped classroom promotes the educational equality. I also agree with that flipped classroom requires teachers spending more time to prepare a good class time. I personally think this is a controversial topic because I'm concerned about flipped classroom is not suitable for younger kids. Younger kids are not beneficial to familiarize technology at young age. The open course is better for high school students or adults. Flipped classroom is a good concept to apply pressure to teachers to think carefully that what is the best model for students' learning. If I were a teacher, I would like to encourage the student-centered learning model. Peer-to-peer learning is an opportunity to share ideas and learning something from this process. And teachers have more extra time to support individual needs. I think the educational technologies offers mobility and flexibility and storage. I enjoy the learning process that I can review randomly. Thank you for watching.